Okay, hey guys, we got a challenge of saying to do the sewing machine challenge. So that's what we're gonna do. And hopefully, well, it's for 2 minutes. And well, basically, if you guys don't know, it's just, you just put your feet like this, or something like this, and then you just keep going up and down for 2 minutes straight. Okay, so.
Ready?
We're just gonna have background music just because it's gonna be boring. Yep. Okay, so.
I got the 2 minutes here. You ready?
Aww. Hold on. Technical difficulties.
What's this on? Ready?
Yeah. And
go.
2 minutes straight. So, how's your day going?
Just start a damn conversation.
It's not that bad.
I know.
But it's gonna get bad. I can already feel it.
I know. I don't think I might last. Why did I turn off my phone? I don't know what we're doing, so.
I know, we just got challenged, so we're like, you know what, F it. So we're just gonna do that.
Shit! I'm weak. Can you go at your own damn
Jennifer? Oh, yeah, wild girls. I'm just kidding. That was stupid.
Damn it.
Okay, 1 minute left, guys.
I keep feeling now.
I keep losing my rhythm.
Me too.
I'm going off stupid. And yes, the Christmas tree is still up.
Oh my god, would you stop mentioning that damn tree?
We haven't thrown it away.
We're not gonna throw it away. It's artificial.
I said we haven't put it away.
Oh, I think we threw it away. Damn, I can't hold on that much longer. Oh my god, I keep
We
moving
can't
it.
do it. My legs are going stupid.
So am I. What are we doing? I can't do this for like 2 minutes.
20 seconds.
Oh my god.
Challenge. Challenge.
13 seconds. I can't keep going.
I can't do this.
I can't do this either.
What?
We're done. We're done. We did the sewing machine challenge for 2 minutes, and it sucks.
It is.
It sucks. Not worth it. Not worth my time. What the hell?
Let's go back.